Don't put that in. Hi guys, how's it going? Saya mau bikin steaknya ada sos Indonesia. Jadi hari ini saya mau coba bikin steak lada hitam. Bahan-bahan untuk Bang Ben's steak lada hitam: daun bawang, bawang putih, ada steak, bawang merah, tapi bisa diganti ini dengan bawang bombay, paprika merah dan paprika hijau, cabe, bubuk lada putih, bisa diganti ini dengan lada hitam juga, kecap asin, saus tiram, kecap manis. Bahan ini sangat penting ya. Pertama, saya mau bikin steaknya pakai penggorengan dan api besar. Setiap kali saya mau masak steaknya, saya pakai ini, olive oil, dan tambahkan mentega nanti. Jangan lupa, sangat penting, garam dan lada hitam di steaknya, 2 cc. Jangan lupa, bolak-balik, sisanya saya mau masak steaknya selama 2 menit. Sekarang saya mau pakai api kecil karena mau tambahkan mentega. Ini cepat kosong. Ini sudah siap. Kemudian saya mau bikin sosnya pakai api kecil. Kali ini saya mau tambahkan minyak wijen untuk sosnya sedikit aja di penggorengan lagi. Tambahkan paprika. Setelah 3 menit, mau masukin bawangnya. Jangan lupa dia, mas bawang. Sekarang mau tambahkan cabai sama bawang putih. Untuk sosnya, kecap manis 1 sendok makan, kecap asin 1 sendok teh, saus tiram 1 sendok teh juga, dan jangan lupa aduk. Masukin daun bawang dan sedikit air putih. Terakhir, mau gunakan lada putih, bisa diganti ini dengan lada hitam. Mau cobain? Enak? Bagus. Okay, mau cobain. Right, so steak today. I did a tuna steak once, never done beef steak, with a bit of this Lada Hitam as well. Different, like an Indonesian sauce. I didn't want to do a Western one, but this is the Western way to cook a steak. Always use olive oil, butter, salt and pepper. Very, very easy, but it's just the way it's done, really. Always butter. How you can't go wrong with butter. But anyway, sapi Lada Hitam, let's do this my way. Okay. Yeah. Oh man, this is lovely. You know, sapi Lada Hitam is a great dish, very popular in Indonesia. But when you use steak, everything is just getting so much better and so much more, you know, more taste and everything like that. Sometimes with sapi Lada Hitam, I find the beef a little bit like tough to chew. But if you buy good quality steak, you know, this isn't tough at all. This is so soft, you can see. You know, it's still juicy. Okay, probably medium this cook, maybe medium well. Pink in the middle, no blood. I actually like it rarer than this with a bit more blood. Yeah, not too spicy. A little bit sweet with the kecap manis, balanced out with the saltiness of the oyster sauce and the soy sauce. Thanks ever so much for watching my channel. Please like and subscribe. Any advice you would like, always comment below. I'm always happy to get back to your comments. And also, keep watching because we're going to be cooking some more desserts pretty soon, so I know that is probably one of your favourite things that you like me to cook. So, have a good day. See you later. Next time, I'll be here cooking you food. Laters. The sourness, sorry. Terihnya apa ini? Terihnya. Setelah. Jangan lupa. Sorry, jangan lupa boleh balik. Ya. Bikin steaknya dengan pakai saus. Don't put that in. Saya mau coba pick off.
Already said hari ini twice. Don't want to say it twice. Okay.
Steaknya ada. Yang ada. Fingering. Thanks ever so much.